How to create a Facebook page. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to show you how, so without any delay let's just jump right into the video. For that, you may open up facebook.com in one of your browser. You need to open up the desktop version of your Facebook, and once you open it up you should be finding this interface. Now from here, what you need to do is, on your left side of the screen you should be finding a menu with different options given. Click on see more and look up the pages option, this one right here, and click on it. Once you click on pages here, you will be finding all of the pages that you've already created. Otherwise, in order to create a new one, click on create new page on your left side of the screen. You can find that option, click on it. And then after clicking on it, all you gotta do is follow the on-screen instructions. So first process, in order to create a page, is you need to enter up a page name in the very first option. Just go ahead and enter up a page name for yourself, for example text. And on the second option, you need to enter up a category, like what category is your page. So just go ahead and select a category, for example science and tech. After that, in this bio section, you can go ahead and enter up a bio, anything you want, and then go ahead and click on create page. After that, just do that, and you should be finding this kind of interface once your page should be created. So once you go ahead and click on create page, you need to follow up 5-step process in order to make your page more clear. So you can go ahead and enter up your contact information and different options. So you can look out for this page. It is a 5-step process. You need to complete step up to step 5. So first thing is enter up your contact number. After that, you can just go ahead and select a country code from where you belong. And you can also enter up your address, your town and city from where you belong, and your hours, and click on next after that. And after that is done, you need to go ahead on the second step, add up a profile picture or a cover photo. If you prefer, just go ahead and do that and add up. And you can also add an action button if you want, and click on next. After that is done, on the third step, you can go ahead and connect your WhatsApp to your page if you want. You can select your country code and your WhatsApp number. And on step 4, you can build your page audience as well. You can invite friends by clicking on invite friends, the friends that you want, and click on send invitations and send an invitation for your friend to like your page. Similarly, on the very last option, you can go ahead and select your notification settings, and then there you go, your page has been created. So that is it for now. You can follow up this method if you want to create your Facebook page very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.